Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering off and unplugging the HP. Remove the battery if you can. Once done, use compressed air to blow debris from around the target key. You lift the keycap gently with a thin, flat tool at the top edge. Prise slowly to feel the clips release. Make sure to observe the keycap orientation and the plastic retainer shape so you can reattach correctly. If you see sticky residue, lightly dab with a cloth dampened with isopropyl alcohol to loosen grime. Now you inspect the scissor retainer and the rubber dome. If a hook is bent, use tweezers to gently reshape it. If a piece is broken, plan to swap with a spare key or order a replacement. Clean the contact points and hinge slots with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol, removing any trapped crumbs. Once clean, align the retainer halves into the keyboard plate. Make sure the little hooks sit in their slots. Once aligned, press until you hear a soft snap, indicating the retainer is seated. Finish by aligning the keycap over the retainer so the legend faces correctly. Press evenly in the center until you hear a click. You should feel a crisp tactile response when you press. Test the key in a text editor to confirm electrical contact. If the key feels mushy or doesn't register, reseat the retainer and try again, or swap with a known good key to isolate the cap versus switch. One troubleshooting tip: if leakage or corrosion is visible, stop and seek a replacement keyboard to avoid board damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.